Patricia here. Today I'm going to be making a new trivet. What the trivet's used for is to reduce the amount of heat that hits these fancy gallery wire. I just noticed this one. I'm going to have to push it down just a bit. But my trivet's starting to break down, so I'm going to make another one. I'll show you how to do that. So let's just warm this up a bit. I put flux on there. And there's still a bit of solder. So I'm going to go underneath after I warmed it. And it's done. I'm going to just quench this. And I don't see any daylight anymore. So I'll throw it in my pickle pot. So this is what the trivet looks like. But what I'm going to do is make another one, but I'm going to put make the wire stick out more here, so like little legs, to bring it up just a little bit more. Maybe 6 legs. I like to buy a trivet stand, but not right now. Okay, what I have here is stainless steel, or steel wire. It just says galvanized. I don't know if that's healthy or not, but it's all I could find. The bale wire that you use, it comes in a large spool, and I don't need all that bale wire. This works fine. I wear a mask and I have the fan running, the exhaust. So if I pull it like that, oh, there you go. It's got unstuck. And catch the wire cutters. I have my camera on a stand right by me, so it's in my way, but okay. I'm just gonna put a dot. Right there, so I know I have to be in frame there for you guys. So I need this. Okay. Just bring this around this jar. And I'm going to check and see how big that is for my... This is a good size. I don't need it too big. If I ever do, I can make another one. Okay, that looks good. So I'm just going to go across and make a web. Okay. spring loaded. Okay. Go this way. Wear some safety glasses when you do this. Here's a little trivet. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.